This is another video to work with practice for Chapter 6. Some of this will be a review from the previous video. For example, the first three problems here are simplifying polynomials. So once again, in simplifying this, we've got a power here. So we need to take everything to the third power. That would be 3 cubed, a to the 6th, b to the negative 9th. Using power of power, and then multiplying these together. 2 times 3 cubed is 27, so 2 times 27 is 54. A to the 4th times a to the 6th, keep the base, add those powers. The same with b to the 1st power. And that would be your answer there. Number 2, we are distributing, we're multiplying here. So I'm going to have 6x cubed minus 15x squared plus 28 minus 8x squared plus 20x hold on a second here. Sorry about that. 6x cubed minus 15x squared. And this should be a negative 21x. And then I've got negative 8x squared plus 20x plus 28. Combining like terms, then a 6x cubed minus 23x squared. I have a minus 21x and a positive 20x would be a minus x and a plus 28. Combining those like terms. Number 3 is division. We're going to divide those two, which is a negative 2. We're going to keep the base, subtract the powers, keep the base, subtract the powers. Since I have a negative exponent there on x cubed, I'm going to move that to the bottom, make the exponent positive. Dividing polynomials, I'll do this synthetically. Since I'm dividing by x minus 3, I'm going to put a 3 out in front. Process is bringing down the 2, multiplying, add, multiply and add, multiply and add. This is my remainder, which I'm going to put over x minus 3. 12 is my constant, it should be 7x and 2x squared. And that would be my final answer there for division. Degree is the largest power, which is 4. Constant is the non-variable term, that would be 8. Leading coefficient is the coefficient in the largest power, which would be the negative 5. And behavior, we would say, as x approaches negative infinity, which means what is it doing when it goes to the left? And x approaches positive infinity, what is it doing when it gets to the right? The general shape of this graph, since it is even degree and the leading coefficient's negative, would be like this. So both left and right side would be approaching negative infinity.